Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, I'm going to find out the right stock for a short straddle and how it would be profitable if you are select a right stock for a short straddle strategies. That I'm going to step by step I'm going to do here, and let watch this video till in the end to get some clear stock selection idea about the short straddle strategy. Okay, and initially I'm going to check the stock which having the ADX value below 20 to make a short straddle on the stocks, because the stock having less movement or less volatile, so that will help us to make a profit in a short straddle strategy. So to find out those stocks which is trading the ADX value is trading below 20, so we will filter out the here, and you can create a scan. This is a charting, so you can use this website free, and also paid is also available. So now I'm going to filter out the stock that ADX value is below 20. Now ADX value of 14 period is less than the number 20 period. So this is a simple code which we can filter out the stock which is trading that ADX value is trading below 20. That will be listed here once you get a screen. So now we are going to do with the options. So we need future stocks. So I selected here a future stock, and I run the scan now. So what are the stocks that ADX value is below 20? So we find a lot of stocks here, almost more than 56 stock is there. Okay, and now so from here we have to select some good quality stocks to find out to make the short straddle. Let's see, Apollo Hospital, National Aluminium, the list of stock is there, and those stocks, their percentage changed today. Here it is listed by the percentage. Okay, so let's take some stocks which is standing in the front. So National Aluminium, so we'll check with the chart, and intra trading view, that is also with the free and paid is there. So I'm using free, and let's show you some indicator I have added here. So I will delete. So National Aluminium is the first one, and today it is increased very well. And we need to add that ADX to cross check with the exact one. So then now the ADX value is trading below. Right now it is trading 15, and also it is facing a downward. So we today it increased big, but now we can take it will not move bigger ranges. Okay, so you see previously the ADX value is very less, and the price is looks like in a range bound, and today it went up, and also the good opportunity where we can take the premium with the higher range. Because of the increase in the price, the premiums may increase in a call and puts. The put will decrease and call will increase. Now we are going to select the ATM price. The stock is below 100, so I will avoid on the next stock. Sale also be there, and Tata Steel, we will check the Tata Steel and how the stock looks like. You see that Tata Steel, if you check that the ADX value is going below and it's facing the downward. So then right now the ADX value is around 16.94. So it gives some range bound like that. For example, if you are checking that price on almost some 10 days back, the price was trading around 1160, and this price again now it is trading 1170. Here it comes to from this point around 172, it fall down to 100 point, again it recovered up. But now we are going to make the straddle, short straddle on a positional basis, not for a intraday, to get some chances to make profit from this trade. And previously, if you check that on 1st of June, the price was traded around W120 or W118, and if you check that, the range is very narrow because of it is not moving big. And when you see that ADX is keep on rising, the momentum also rising. When the ADX is facing downward and below 20, there will be a range one. So if you are selecting this stock, and let's try to see the what is the current price of this the option prices of this stock is currently, and let's check the Tata Steel. And we are going to check with the option chart, data option chain, and we want to know only the option prices. 29th July, the price of Tata Steel. Now it is showing the ATM is 1170. We have every 10 rupees strike prices available for the stock. If you are selecting this stock, let's show you some interesting thing. The call price we are trading, just a second, call was trading around 50 rupees and the put price was trading around 47, almost 48 rupees. So we have more than 98 points, which is that is ATM options only having time value. So we have cushion of 98 points whether the stock moves up from here or down from here. So we have 98-point cushion. So as per the settlement. So when we can create a short straddle on this, so sure it will give you some good return on positional basis. It is not for a intraday we are selecting, it is for a positional basis. So when if you are creating a short straddle on these things, let's make your short straddle on Tata Steel. Option the current ATM is 1170 as per the future market price, and we are going to sell both the 1170 call and 1170. So we see there will be a almost 82,000 rupees premium which is present as a time value until unless the Tata Steel can move more than 1268 or less than 1072. So this is the range where the market trading in between the range you are going to make profit on the short straddle. Whether if breaks above this level and you are going to make losses on the short straddle. But now the margin is required around 3.6 lakhs. Now you see this the short straddle we are selecting on the basis of the stock doesn't move much. So that is what our expected thing. So we are not about bullish or we are not in the bearish about the stocks. We are planning only the stock will trade in between the range. So previously also we see the last month top level is around W184 and the lowest level is 1050. So almost 200 point is the maximum W186 and 1050, almost 150 point is the maximum move. So if you are focusing the straddle, that will sure you will get profit. So how it performed last month, if you check that last month, the prices of the straddle is the price is 1100. So if you check the straddle from the same, I think it is not possible because the contract is expired. So instead of that, we can check this month straddle chart how it looks like, and we will go for here and make a straddle chart of Tata Steel, so where we can put a stop loss and how we can manage the trade if it is goes wrong, because when the movement is big, so we are going to lose on the start straddle. But that is why we are selecting the stock which is have a less movement. So we check 1170, we make the straddle chart and we go to historical in Tata Steel 1170. I hope this is not getting the full detail because this is a new contract. So recently on 18th June, the same straddle was trading 156. So we may not check that straddle. So if you check, it is around 107, or the maximum is around 158. Now it is trading 98. So now we sold both the premium around 50 rupees. When market moves even 50 rupees, one premium will decay and another premium will increase. So it will give you adjusted profit or loss. But how we can manage when that if any changes in the ADX, if it is turns up, so we have to make a stop loss for each leg, or even if you make a 100% stop loss for the trade, so that is also be working very well. And a regular and consistent basis, monthly basis, you can get a more money. So instead of that, last month on the 1st of June, if you check the straddle price of W100 of this contract, not by last contract. So on June 1st, we are checking a July contract. Let's check how it reacts, because we cannot able to see the previous one, so we may be checking the past one. And you check that the last month, that is June 1st. This is the June 1st price, where the premium of 148. Okay, so here you see that the premium is around 148 at the time of 1st June, but we are checking a July contract. So because we are not able to check the June contract. So 148, if you assume the stock will be a range bound, because of the ADX is below that below 20. Okay, so the ADX is below 20, so that is why we took that as we assume that the range bound. So here 148 we shorted around, and it comes down to nearby 128. That premium is around down by 20 points. After that again it recovers and it moves around 157. It generated near about at minus 10 points. It's not a big, and from there it fall down and it made a low of 84. So we sold around 148. It gets down to 84. Now again it moves higher, and now it is maxed. It made 113. Currently trading around almost 98. 113. Sorry, this is at 110 strike prices. So here there is a good opportunity where the market is in a range bound, so your straddle premium is keep on decreasing. That will give you nice result. Okay, so instead of that, if you are managing the position, how we can manage the position? If you sold 50 rupees call option and 50 rupees put option, you can make a stop loss of 100% of this premium, and here also you can make 100% of the premium. Sure, it will any one leg will be triggered as a stop loss and another one became go to zero. That time you may be managing that position with the small loss or zero loss. Okay, but sometimes it may trigger both the sides in due to high volatility. Sometimes both the legs may be triggered. It is based on up and down like that, any news that may be also happen. But even though if it does happen, so we are going to not lose more than that the premium what you have sold. So if you both the leg it's triggered, we are going to lose 100 points. But if you are following the system regular and consistent basis, sure it will give you some better result. So that is why we are selecting the stock which is very low volatility. So when if you follow low volatile stock, so that always give you the better result. When it is a high volatile, so the straddle premium may increase very up and down, so you may be facing the MTM variation very big. But if you finding the low volatile stocks, we may be getting the good chances to make regular and consistent money using this strategy. As of now, the market price is W170, and you will see the W170, and we'll check it out. The premium is currently trading 98 rupees. So we may be putting the stop loss for both leg, and we can carry the position. Sure, it may be going down, and you can get some good profit also. If you check W120 strike prices, because round number always trading good volume, and you say we may see the chart of the same. So we can have historical data from that is around 2 months data from 14th June. still the premium is started moving down because yesterday is the expiry and this is the new contract which is started. Even though if you check today we see that our premium is 108, that is the straddle premium today's morning around 10:30. So or if you're checking with the today's 9:30, 9:30 or 9:40, so the premium ranging is around 110. As we are taking a 1200 call and 1200 put option. So where from 110 now it is down to 100 rupees or 101. So almost 8 9 rupees profit from the trade if you are taking a short straddle in the same day. It gives you some better result. And due to why it is given, so today's app and put premium may decrease very well compared to the call premium. Okay, this is somewhat above straddle from the LTP, and you can check below straddle from LTP. For example, 1150. Let's check it that what happened on the straddle. Maybe the put premium may be out of the money, the call premium that straddle may increase. But from the morning it is started very well around 109 from the yesterday's close from here 10 point up, but this is also be went down from around 930 or 940. It is 110 and the next say it is down. So what we are getting here clear point on this analysis, whenever the stock which is trading the ADX is trading below 20, that is also be the, we can assume that that may be a range bound. Let's see Axis Bank and L&T Technology, leave it Axis Bank. Let's check it Axis Bank how that premium is going on. The Axis Bank last month, but you see that Axis Bank in this scenario the ADX is below 20 for last month from June. If you check, the ADX is moving upwards, so we may ignore that, and whenever it is showing a down or facing a down, so we can try. So from here after the 16th or 15th it started down, so if you are making a short trader, it was like a range bound on the same level, it maintaining from here to here, not moving big level, and a narrow range that will give you better results on 15th or 14th. So the price is 740 and it moves smaller up and smaller down, so now it is eating the premium and you can end up with the time value catch, right? So the simple way we can select, and we'll let it check Axis Bank how it is trading on the straddle chart, and 740 we are checking. So let's check the July contract of 740 from 14th of this month or last month, sorry, 14th of the last month, how the premium is going to decrease. 740, sorry, not a Tata Steel, we are going to check Axis Bank around 740. The put strike price also be 740. Then if we can go to the chart, you see that on 14th we are checking at this, the ADX and other things is ADX is going down below 20 and the price of that time is around 740 range. So we will take a 740 straddle around 14th. We may see 18th June and 17th. We didn't get a full data, but after 17th June the 69 rupees premium is started moving and down to 43 rupees, and start from here it went up today because today market went up it's somewhere around 740 to 20 rupees up. So this is also be moving up, not big, from 43 to 48, 5 rupees up, the straddle premium of 740. Let's check this month 760 because it is closed by 760 today. Let's check with the 760, and now it is very flat, and now it is trading 44. Even if you are trying to take this position, so that is also be giving a profit using that stop loss management and adjustments. So when if I do around 40 rupees as a straddle premium, so current market price is around 760, so we may be 800. It may, if it is goes to 800 or below 720, our position will not be in risk. So over and above this price or below this price, we are going to take an adjustment, or either making with the stop loss, or either doing with the another straddle, or making a another adding a position in your direction. If a market goes down, you can add a call position and exit with a put position. So like a lot of management is there, but the selecting of a stock with the short straddle strategy, that will always give you better result. And even you can do the strategy with the high volatile stocks also. But while high volatile stocks, if you are doing so, you should manage very well, and gap up, gap down may face some problem with your MTMs too. So low volatile stocks always best to make this strategy, to find out low volatile stock, to do the strategy that gives you always better and best performance. Okay, so we got a lot of chances. So we recommend some stocks to do a short straddle. So we will find out the stocks. These are the stocks, almost 56 stocks is there to do. And by, what we are do, those stocks which is trading with the option volume very good, so that you can focus it on. So a lot of stock is there, and ICICI Bank, and you can go for RBL Bank. So let's check the stocks of this particular stocks, RBL Bank. So what happened? So the RBL Bank is currently trading. This value of ADX is going down, and the market is staying on the same level. When the ADX is showing down below 20, so there will be a good opportunity to take a short straddle. That will work, and we'll show you with the live examples on our next video. I hope this may be useful to video all, and thanks for watching, and thank you very much. And if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe, and if you get share to your friends if you like this video, and comment if you have any questions or any doubts. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much.